Hi, my name's Dean Gelder and I am Managing Director of Tan Lan Bakery, and I've been trading now for 13 years. My biggest challenge to date is moving from my old bakery, which was 750 square foot, to this new premises here, which I moved into last year, which is 3,000 square feet. Obviously, much difference in rent, so we took that on board and we knew we could go out and get the business to grow into the size unit we're in. The biggest achievement to date was taking part in Britain's Best Bakery in 2012, which we made it through to the finals. We came best in Wales and we finished 8th in the UK. So all in all, it was really good. We filmed over for about a week of intense filming at the bakery, and it done the business really well. The best marketing advice I'd give anyone really is to get your branding out there, to get yourself noted. Also, Facebook and Twitter, the social media sites, do excellent for us. This is the amount of people we get who've noticed our business on these sites is phenomenal. The traits of a good business person to me are you've got to enjoy your work for starters, you've got to enjoy what you do. Then also you've got to be committed and you've got to put the hours and the time in. Then later on you will reap the rewards. You've got to put a lot of hard work into anything you do, so you'll get it back. A business mentor, off the top of my head, who I do look at, and I read his books and I get his stuff, I really get what he's on about, is Branson. All day long, this is some of the things he comes out with, and his quotes are just fantastic. 3 top tips I would give someone who's starting a business is to have total commitment, have the right branding and do their research.